Hey guys, are you one by best lightweight pickleball paddles? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best lightweight pickleball paddles that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, Prince Spectrum Pro Lightweight Pickleball Paddle. Prince understood that the ultimate pickleball player needs to combine speed with power, which is what led them to create the Spectrum Pro. The innovative shape of the paddle has enhanced the sweet spot, which reduces the vibration of impact and provides more energy. Meanwhile, the lightweight model is only 7.27.6 Oz for better movement. But it isn't just about the shape with the Spectrum Pro. A 9/16 extra thick honeycomb center is used to disperse the impact energy of every ball hit. This way, you can respond quickly with power on demand. At number 4, Selkirk Amped Epic Pickleball Paddle. If you're hoping to play like a pro, then the Selkirk Amped might be just what you need. Selkirk is the brand at the forefront of pickleball technology, creating innovative designs using high-quality materials. The Amped Epic is one of the greatest all-round paddles available, thanks to the blend of a FiberFlex fiberglass face and a thicker polypropylene X5 core. They give better ball cushioning, better spin, and better play. The longer handle and larger face blend for the ultimate in power and control. Ideal for anyone who's looking to take their game to the next level. At number 3, Gamma Sports Neutron 2.0 Pickleball Paddle. Beginner pickleball players should definitely consider the Gamma Sports 2.0 for their first paddle. At only 7.0 Oz, it's very light, allowing you to master the swing before moving to something with a little more power. Gamma is a popular company for pickleball equipment, and part of that is they're so easy to learn with. The 4-inch grip feels steady in the hand, with a honeycomb texture that absorbs sweat. With a fiberglass face for improved feedback and a honeycomb core that distributes impact, players can respond quickly to every touch of the ball. This is on the lighter end of the lightweight scale, which makes it a good choice for children and young adults. Beginner players will certainly enjoy the easy maneuverability, while even experienced players can appreciate the careful construction. And our second product is Onyx Striker 4 Composite Pickleball Paddle. The Onyx Striker 4 combines a lightweight body with a larger face to offer beginner to intermediate players total control at the net. The larger face increases the sweet spot, so you can hit the ball better every time. At only 6.97.4 Oz, the Onyx Striker moves with speed, supporting the fast reaction of that larger sweet spot. A graphite face adds force to every swing. Another advantage of the Onyx Striker is the slightly larger grip size. At 4.5 wide and 5 long, it has a bigger width than average. This can be difficult to find on lightweight paddles, making the Striker a great choice for someone with larger hands. Now our last product is Gamma Legend New Core Pickleball Paddle Compass. The Gamma Legend New Core is at the slightly heavier end of the lightweight spectrum. At 7.75 Oz, it could be seen as a middleweight. However, the balance across the paddle and quick maneuverability makes it a great option for anyone who finds the lighter options a little underpowered. One reason we recommend this paddle to anyone after a lightweight option is the new core. This technology is a 25% thicker large cell core, giving a quieter paddle with an incredibly responsive feel. The textured grip handle feels comfortable in the hand and gives a solid hold to a lighter frame. Perhaps too heavy for some beginners, it's perfect for anyone needing speed but craving weight. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.